Hey, have you already tried using Claude Code terminals for your creative strategy, ads, building systems? If you haven't, I'm going to show you how to set it up really quickly so you can just jump in and start experimenting. It's quite different from Claude projects, but also quite similar. Play around and find out. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is you have to go to antigravity.google and download Google Antigravity. So it's an IDE platform that is built mainly around Google Gemini and Claude, but we can then add Claude Code inside it as well to use it. So start by downloading this. So then the next step is to set up your workspace. I'm going to be giving you these files, and you can think of these as kind of your instructions in Claude projects or things, but it works a little differently. So I'm going to explain it later as well, but I'm going to be giving you these files that you can use to set up your Google Antigravity. So then we go and open up Antigravity, and let's open the folder I just showed you. So here's the folder. Let's open it up. Click yes, I trust the authors. You can trust me. I'm trustworthy. And now we're here. So the next step for you is to install Claude Code. And you can do it by going to extensions. Click here and type in, we can see Claude Code here because it's installed already. But if you type in Claude, you're going to see Claude Code here. So install it. Once it's installed, a little icon is going to pop up here. You're going to click on it and it's going to take you through instructions on how to set it up. Be mindful, you're going to have to use at least the most basic subscription. To my knowledge, it isn't free, but it's totally worth it. And so once it's set up, what I typically do is I set it on bypass permissions here in the settings. You can also make sure that you're not using, it's going to be Sonnet by default, but you want to be using Opus. So you set up the model here, and then for bypass permissions, I believe you're going to have to go to settings, and click this button here as well. So it might sound dangerous, but because everything is confined to this one specific folder, it's not going to be able to do anything that you don't want to do. So it might mess up this workspace, but that's all. It's not going to touch any of your other files. This is the exact same file I'm going to be giving you. We start by, hey, help me set up this workspace. And it's going to go through the files that we have right now. And it has a lot of stuff to already help you get started. So it's going to set up any dependencies and things it needs to run different scripts and things. So that gives the agents ability to use different APIs and use different processes and things. So as you can see, the workspace is set up and it already gives you some ideas what you can do as well. But this is where the game starts and you can just start experimenting. You can ask it to pull your Facebook ads data from, last 7 days, last 30 days. You can ask it to write scripts, anything you want to do. The main difference between this and Claude projects is that these agents here can actually go and change files and generate images. So it connects with different APIs and it's going to tell you what exactly you need to make those things happen. So anything you can think of, you can start experimenting with right now. And that's how you set up Google Antigravity to start using Claude Code agents for your business. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll be happy to answer them for you. See ya.